Are you looking for ways to control your blood sugar levels? In this video, we will discuss key steps that beginners can take to lower their blood sugar levels. By making simple lifestyle changes, you can effectively manage your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. One of the most important steps to lower blood sugar levels is to follow a healthy eating plan. Focus on consuming whole foods that are low in refined sugars and carbohydrates. Include plenty of leafy greens, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. Avoid sugary beverages and opt for water or herbal tea instead. Physical activity plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. Regular exercise helps your body utilize insulin effectively, leading to lower blood sugar levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, most days of the week. Monitoring your blood sugar levels is essential to understand how your lifestyle choices impact them. Use a glucose meter to regularly check your blood sugar levels at home. This will help you make necessary adjustments to your diet and exercise routine to keep your levels within a healthy range. Did you know that stress can affect your blood sugar levels? Learning effective stress management techniques, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, and engaging in hobbies, can help lower your stress levels and keep your blood sugar in check. Lastly, always consult with your doctor or healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your lifestyle. They can provide personalized advice and help you develop a suitable plan to lower your blood sugar levels. Remember, managing blood sugar is a journey, and with the right guidance, you can achieve your goals.